What's up guys, you're watching the CE-107863-5, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-107863-5. A network connection error has occurred. So it's a network error and a server error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Go to the settings here simply and look at that. Just go to the settings, this one settings, and user and account. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not, maybe sometimes signed out. And login settings, your console is logged in or not. Here if you set the password, you just turn off your password, the login password on the console. And here you view PlayStation network service, test your own connection. Simply, if the server is not working, you just wait, so you will fix this up automatically. If the server is running up and good, then you have a local internet problem. So you must fix your own internet connection, or contact with the internet provider, or just fix it to your own, set up an internet connection. Here is the Wi-Fi settings, frequency setting, advanced settings, and you must check the DNS settings, which one is working good in your country. Just put it back here, and I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN cable and just connect it from the router to PlayStation 5 simply, and you will get the better speed on it. So that's how simply you can fix this network error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.